check. We're good to go, bro.
Just a simple human being from the earth.
I'm Azlan from Malaysia and I haven't showered for 5 days.
So, ये क्या करने जा रहे हो पहाड़ों पे? जाके ऐसे घूम फिर के जाते हैं?
Oh my God, climbing is so complicated. It's not even funny.
Why the fuck am I doing this, man? Like, is it really necessary? Like,
Yeah.
Bro, सब सही है. तो ज़्यादा कुछ बोलने का नहीं है.
Suru is an amazing valley in Trans-Himalaya where there is beautiful weather, not raining much, and amazing exposure to the rocks and many boulders.
When Sohail and I used to come and climb here in Suru like many years ago,
We saw boulders after boulders and realizing the potential of this place, we thought about a bouldering festival. We were like, this is it.
and look at this setting, you know, like where the rocks are thrown, you know. One of the main ideas behind Suru was, like, we have so many climber friends, you know, community members from all over the country. Most of the people already know each other and it becomes like a really nice sort of holiday and like a full power climbing trip, you know.
We have professional boulderers here, we have trad climbers, slackliners, jugglers. So there's something to learn from each and every one of them. Whatever I learned is another scene.
It's as amazing as I've been told. To actually live here and be surrounded with these kids, to see them, you know, around our campsite, it is a very different experience to see how they live their life. It is very far removed from most of the cultures that you've actually seen because of the remoteness of this place. We are getting to see a culture and that culture is getting to see us. So it's a great balance.
A day at Suru Fest is beautiful in between these marvelous mountains.
Do I have to say about the whole day?
Before you know it, you got a group of 10, 20 people all head in one place with one goal in mind, and you just hop in and have fun. And
that's all. That's all there is. It's the whole day goes climbing, that's it. Lunch comes, the dinner comes, it just keeps happening, and climbing is paramount. Come on, KAUR. Come on. KAUR, yes, come on. KAUR डाले venga. ऊपर ऊपर. ऐसा करने क्या? Left hand वो grip पे. हाँ. Triangle पे इनको trust करो. Come on. मुझे गति वाला मुझे हल्का सा dynamic.
I think it's like a very good opportunity to share your experiences with other adventure seekers, and by seeing these strong climbers, it just blows my mind. Yeah, it's amazing.
You can see like their dedication when they're climbing, like it's much like sort of deeper, you know, the connect. And when people see like this in anyone, like, and you get inspired, you know, and you want to like some of that to rub onto you, you know.
It's what every climber wants, to just be able to climb, wake up, climb, come back, eat some food.
Have some cold beer, seeing the stars, and just some movies.
And like, you know, chill out.
Everyone in the community is very mellow, so that enables us to stick together.
There's this general sense of caring and this helpful kind of behavior with everyone, you know.
And climber like climber भेटेपछि, like you have a family.